Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to making sure your air conditioning system is running just right, so you don't end up wasting energy or sweating through summer. Okay, so measuring Delta T in your AC is all about checking the temperature difference between the air going into the system and the air coming out. First off, grab a dual temperature meter because that's the safest and most accurate way to get readings. You want to use K-type B temperature sensors and stick them into pre-drilled holes in the supply and return ducts. This helps avoid messing with the airflow or getting false readings. Once your sensors are in place, switch your meter to the differential reading mode, which basically subtracts one temperature from the other, T1 minus T2. The number you get is your Delta T, and it tells you if your system is cooling properly. If the Delta T is too low or too high, that can mean your AC needs a tune-up or some parts replaced. Keep in mind, doing this test when the system's running steady for at least 15 minutes gives you the most reliable results. Also, remember to check your manufacturer's specs for the ideal Delta T range, because it can vary depending on the unit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T measurements is not using the right tools, like just guessing temperatures, or using a single thermometer instead of a dual temperature meter. The fix here is to always invest in proper equipment to get accurate readings. Another common issue is placing sensors in the wrong spots. If they're not in those pre-drilled duct holes, you're basically flying blind and might get skewed numbers. So, prep those spots carefully before testing. Third, a lot of folks forget to let the system run long enough before taking measurements, which means their Delta T won't truly reflect how the AC performs during normal operation. The easy fix? Wait at least 15 minutes for things to stabilize before you start measuring. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you're not just guessing or hiring someone random. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work and build a good rep by connecting with people who need their skills right away.